Morena, Obas, and Leroux,
Yes.
I think you are limiting your creativity. But where does that help you as coach, as Hugo Broos? It absorbs the pressure and stabilize the game. That's why you see that on the first half, we didn't even have a single goal because there's no creativity. But they did exceptional well. The Homkwen is playing like a captain. Is bringing his leadership skills each and every time. Obas nene ukudwana chikotamba zobingamandesa cause. Another thing is this one. When we are attacking, the level where you are going to recover the football, that's what win Bafana Bafana game today, because there was quick counter pressing and a lot of pressure from that was applied by Obas, which resulted into the goal Yaka Tapelo Morena. Let's talk about Apolis and as well as Mukwana. Just unfortunately, there's a lot of things that is happening on Mukwana. But today when we attack, I saw a lot of potential.